Let's draw a box.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's start with 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to add 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. We're going to add another 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll add another 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And let's add 3 more lines. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the box. So imagine there's a line that goes through this and then starts here. Okay, so we're not going to draw straight. We're not going to draw right here. We're going to start it here. Come down. And then we'll add another line that comes down to here. And then we'll connect from here to here. Straight line that goes down. And then we're going to go all the way up to here. So we'll connect from here to that dot. And then we're going to have another line come up. And the last thing we need to add is the line inside the box. So we'll have a line come from here and go straight down. This is a box. What color will you make your box? Will you put something inside of it? Will you put something outside of it? That's up to you. It's your drawing. I'm curious what you can add to this drawing. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.